Welcome to the Rapid Fire One-Piece Holster tutorial by CKK Industries featuring Dave White of NSR Tactical. This is a condensed version of our normal 35-minute presentation. In this video, make sure that you get your materials together before you start the project, then determine the amount of Kydex material that you'll need for this. To do that, you want to make sure that you have plenty to cover your weapon. Score and break your material. Next, we're going to heat the material using a T-shirt press. In this case, we're going to use a range of about 300 to 325. Once you have your material heated, bring it over to your vacuum press. On this particular design, we'll be using a split mold. Lay it down evenly on your split mold. Vacuum it down to your table, pressing in the edges to make sure that you have good adherence. Once you have it cool down, pull your formed Kydex off of your split mold. Then you're going to cut off your excess material. And on this design, we'll be using a hair straightener to do the center line. This is where the one-piece holster folds over. Once you get it heated, put your weapon form in, and bend that over using a clamp to keep it in place while it cools. Next, you're going to mark out your cutout positions for the outer edges of your holster. This is an artistic step, so cut it where you want it. Then we're going to be marking for our mount and drilling. Next, you're going to use a countersink to clean up the holes, taking all the burrs out. Using your scroll saw, come back in and cut around the final excess. Finally, you'll want to sand the edges, knocking off all the burrs and making them smooth to the touch. And the final step will be using a flat wheel to really give it that glossy finish on the outer edge. Finally, we have our finished shape. If you'd like to see this in full detail, just wait till the end of this video and we'll have the 35-minute full presentation available. Thank you very much and hope you've enjoyed this abbreviated video.